November 7th marks the 6th official sitting of the Judicial Panel of Inquiry at the Court of Arbitration, with members of the military present and ready to give their testimony about the events that took place on the night of October 20th. Unfortunately, this could not happen as the bank account of Rinuola Oduala, one of the youth reps on the panel, was frozen by the Central Bank of Nigeria, leading to her absence and that of Tope Majekodunmi. A solemn additional Ogunlano, the legal counsel for End Sars protesters, shared his frustration.
We're embarrassed for ourselves, we're embarrassed for the panel, and we're embarrassed as Nigerians. I must say that the only joy is the great respect that the panel and transparency of the panel have afforded us this information. When I got to my place yesterday and I saw the list, and I saw that one of the members, what's his name? Rinuola, Oduala. I said, well, one government has invited these people into a panel. Another government is sanctioning them. And those people are being ridiculed by their mates. We are on the ground. It's embarrassing, contradictory. Sanction. Yesterday when we mentioned something, said, it's a pity that Owoni Kokwezian is not here. He began to look as if we are unduly scandalizing, unduly sensationalizing. What could be more scandalized and sensational than this? That we are here, my learned senior colleague and some other people came outside jurisdiction, and what we have, even the panel itself is handicapped and cannot work. What do we make of this? What message are we sending to the public? My own proposition is that this panel must be proactive and ask of the government to do the needful quick, or else the panel itself so moto disband itself. Then we know where we are. Government cannot approbate and reprobate at the same time. This is the truth. To embarrass the legal profession. And panel, a very powerful and serious panel like this, only to hop it at the same time. There was a disconnect. That disconnect must be rectified quickly. The story is being that, oh, it's a lie. All the claims of SARS people about what happened in Lekki was a lie. If they say people died and all that, where are the wailing families? Well, we showed up yesterday, sir. We showed up yesterday. We showed human beings, flesh and blood. And more are coming.
After consulting with other members of the panel, Chairperson Justice Doris Okuobi adjourns due to a lack of quorum.
The proceedings before this panel cannot go on today for reason of want of quorum. Youth members who are members of the panel are not here today, and we must ensure that the proceedings are appropriately taken under the law establishing the panel. The proceedings in the circumstance stands adjourned to 14th November 2020.
They cannot talk because judges are not meant to talk, and all the people here are judges. But it is the responsibility of the bar to protect, promote the dignity of the bench. And that's what I've done today. It's not just a matter of saying, my lord, you had your explanation. No, we must protect them.
Seyitan Atigarin, reporting for Arise News.